Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of the beginner class for the 3rd of May at the Kenn Centre, where we did a first move, a shoulder slide, a side to side and an arm jive push spin. If you need a more detailed teach of any of those moves, links are in the description below. This is just an aid memoir of how everything joined together. So starting with the first move, we were left to right and it went 7 and 8. Back, in. Twist, twist, turn, face, return for the shoulder slide, we went latch, catch, return for the side to side, we came in and out, over, 2 hands for the arm jive, and we did a push spin ending on it with a return to take us back to the top. Hope you find that useful. If you do and you like what we've been doing, then really would appreciate it if you like and subscribe, because that helps promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end, so when the boxes come up in the last few seconds, there'll be something there for you to click on to take you to a tune that would be nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.